What's up, friends? Wil Reynolds here for Wasteful Wednesday. And every Wednesday, I'm going to show you the most egregious example of a word that I found that week that you probably want to negate in your accounts to make sure you're not wasting money on keywords that aren't performing for you when you can go ahead and probably put that into other things that have a higher ROI. So today's wasteful word of the week on a Wednesday from Wil is jobs. Okay, SaaS guys and girls, when you target competitor names, you gotta make sure you understand what other types of things you might be showing up for. Because when you target that competitor name, some people typing in that name are looking for jobs. And there's no better place to find out what intent is than organic search from Google. So let me go show you an example. I pulled up Asana and I'll show you how some companies are getting their signals mixed up, probably incurring clicks and costs they don't want. And even Asana, the brand themselves, might be able to make some tweaks to how they show up on their own paid search ads. So let's go. All right, so my audio setup ain't great today, so I'm gonna use my headset. And I searched for Asana careers. I had to go 3 pages deep. No ads. Good job, everybody. But one of the things I noticed is that people were searching for words like software engineer. So I searched for Asana software engineer and Asana is showing up. That's cool, right? But you're talking about manage all your projects and tasks. I'm a software engineer. It's interesting that that word, Google has all this information. The engineering jobs page, the Asana jobs page, Glassdoor, Greenhouse with applications, LinkedIn. Google's learned that for all the people that search for Asana software engineer, there's a good chance that they actually want a job and not the software. So you want to make sure as Asana that you're using your SEO and PPC data together to be able to find that. That's one way everybody here can make sure that I know I negate the word jobs, but that's the easy thing. Everybody can negate the word jobs or careers, but how are you going to find all those different derivatives? This is how you do it. The other thing I noticed was for Asana and product designer, same thing. Right? Look at all these different jobs. What does a product designer do at Asana, Glassdoor, Greenhouse? So we got another query. Asana might want to change that ad copy, tweak it up a bit. But more importantly, Monday, which is a tool that I use, I actually love it. They bid against Asana's brand. And you can see that they're bidding to tell somebody why Monday is so much better. Import and sync your work easily. This is somebody looking for a job, dog. So Monday.com, you probably want to look at words like this to make sure you're not showing up for career searches. Okay, you guys, I'm literally just getting started. But the words like software designer, product designer, but then you've got words like Glassdoor, you've got words like LinkedIn, you've got HR, you've got all these different words. You have interview questions. I've seen people searching for brand name and interview questions, and other companies are showing up. All these things are in jobs. So look through your search query report for those, negate those, and get your money back. See you next Wednesday.